Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your TREZOR Safe 3. To do it, you'll need to go to Settings, then go to Device, and before we do it, remember that you'll need to have your recovery phrase stored somewhere before you reset that device, because otherwise, if you don't have your recovery phrase, these 24 words, or maybe less, maybe more, if you don't have that, then don't reset that device. And also, what I'd recommend doing is going to Wallet Backup here and checking. If click on check, then enter your recovery phrase on the device. It will tell you if your recovery phrase that you have, if it's correct. If it is, then you can be sure that you'll be able to recover the wallet. You can also reset the wallet if you feel like you don't have your recovery phrase. If you've lost it, then it's gonna be great to reset it. But before you reset it, make sure to send all your assets to a different wallet, or into an app, or into a different hardware wallet, whatever you feel like. Because if you reset it and don't have the recovery phrase, then you just won't have your money, right? Yeah, go to the danger area, go to wipe device. You need to understand that this action will delete all data on the device, and that you must have your wallet backup in order to regain access to your funds. So I'm gonna wipe the device. Now I'm gonna go down here, hold to confirm, and now it is processing. And it's done. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.